we're excited to introduce Advanced Targeting, a new feature in sponsored listing, now live. Advanced Targeting puts you in control, helping you reach the right users based on their search behavior and show your property to the audience that matters most. For example, you can now target travelers from a particular area, those booking for a specific group size, or users searching for certain check-in dates, ensuring your ads are visible to the most relevant travelers. Start by going to the Sponsored Listing option under the Advertising Solutions tab, then click Create Campaign. Select your start and end dates. Set your CPC bid and choose the number of clicks you want. Under Advanced Targeting, you'll see 3 parameters you can choose. Area: target your campaign to key areas in and around your property. You can select multiple areas available in drop-down and set your desired CPC. Number of guests. Choose the group size you want to target based on the number of adults in a booking. For example, to reach families or larger groups of more than 3 guests, select the corresponding option. Check-in dates. This parameter offers 3 sub-options. You can choose only one: days of the week. Target users whose check-in dates fall on specific days. For example, select Saturday and Sunday. For weekend check-ins, advanced purchase window. Define the duration between booking and check-in. For example, 0 to 1 day targets last-minute bookers. Check-in date. Range. Focus on users whose check-in dates fall within a selected date window. Once your targeting preferences are set, give your campaign a name and click Next. Finally, make the payment using your preferred payment mode. And that's it. You've successfully created an advanced targeting campaign for your property. Your ad will now appear to users who are most likely to convert, based on the parameters you've selected. Head over to the Sponsored Listings tab anytime to track your campaign performance.